it. That is, Darling might be thinking that no one would come back because they might die in the war.
Correct. So firstly, the answer to this question, is it yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yes. This is a 2-mark question. So you have to say yes and then you have to proceed to explain that. Now question number 2. The story is divided into pre-war, that is before war, and post-war, that is after war times. What hardships do you think the girl underwent during these times? This is a 4-mark
Ma'am,
question.
the girl
The 4
underwent
mark,
many hardships,
yes.
such as she had to change places and shift all the time. She had to live in small rooms where the windows had black chart paper or paper lined to them. She had to give away all her possessions and her mother's possessions to people whom her mother trusted. And in the end, she did not get the things of her mother, which were so lovable and close to her, back to her.
Very good, Shona. Apart from that, her mom died. You have to mention that also. So this is a 4-mark question because there are 4 points to this answer. Now, question number 3. Why did the narrator of the story want to forget the address? You remember I discussed it very nicely. कि इस पे question आता है. Why did she want to forget the address? This is again a 4-mark question because there are 4 points to this answer. Even if you have a single point, come up. Say
Ma'am,
the point.
at first, when she went to Mrs. Darling's house, first of all, Mrs. Darling didn't recognize her and claimed to not recognize her. Second time, when she went, at first she came into self-assessment that she might be wrong and she might have chosen the wrong house. But the second time, when she went, she saw the little 15-year-old of Mrs. Darling, and when she came inside she saw all the belongings of her mother kept in distraught positions. So she was very disheartened by that, and she knew every nook and corner of each and every object. And she also heard how the family used the wall hangings explicitly. That is why when she went back and she knew that she doesn't have any place to keep those belongings, and she now doesn't have any emotional attachment to them. So she tried to forget that address, so that to not bring any bad memory, something like that.
Good, Shauna, good. The narrator went to the house of the lady who had safely kept many valuable items of her mother during the war days. The address of the lady given by her dead mother in those days helped her in searching out the house of the lady. But after finding the belongings of her mother being kept and used in an improper way, she lost all her emotional attachment to them. Everything was arranged in a tasteless way. The ugly furniture and the unpleasant smell evoked the memory of the war again and reminded her again of her dead mother. So she justified her action of not wanting to take the belongings by saying to herself that she lived in a small rented room. She had no place to keep all these things. That's why she wanted to forget that address. Question number 4. This is a 5-mark question. The address is a story of human predicament. Predicament means trouble that follows war. The address is the story of human predicament that follows war. Comment. You have to write nearly 3 to 4 paragraphs. It should be 150 words. I will read out something to you so that you can jot down points as to what you can write in this answer. But you definitely write it, because in the exam, if such questions are coming, then you tend to lose marks here. So to be able to get 5 out of 5 for a question like this, you need practice. So do it as homework so that you have practice for your final exams. Marga Minko's short story, The Address, describes the human predicament that follows war. War had caused a big change in the people of Holland as they lost their lives and homes. Mrs. S was also a victim of the war. When the narrator, Mrs. S's daughter, went to Mrs. Dowling's house to claim those articles with which her mother's precious memories were associated, Mrs. Dowling was surprised to see the narrator at her door and even pretended not to recognize her. So basically, we give the entire summary. Later, the narrator was shocked to see the nice belongings of her mother lying in Mrs. Dowling's house. She felt sad, and the things appeared to have lost their worth in the absence of their true owner. Therefore, she decided to leave those things and forget the address forever. Thus, abhi ek conclusion aa raha hai. Thus, the story presents a big change in the lives of the narrator and her mother caused by the war. The story shows how war begins a dehumanizing effect on human beings. It kills the feelings of love and sympathy. It makes people cruel and selfish. Okay? Something like this you have to write for this answer. So with this, we have finished the address also, and we have finished the syllabus for your exam, because you have beautiful white horse, address, portrait of a lady, photograph, we are not afraid to die, and labyrintھ top. 6 chapters you have, we have finished all of them. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you have 5 topics for your written section. Poster making, notice, letter of placing an order, note making. Yes, you should do that. When you are asked these 5 marks type of questions, you can have a message in your answer. So I was narrating the syllabus of the written section. Poster making, notice, letter of placing order, note making and summarizing. These are your 5 topics. इसमें से कौन सा टॉपिक ऐसा है जिसके बारे में आपको आइडिया नहीं है? I will give you the model answer.
Last 2 topics.
Note making and summarizing. Note making and summarizing में ऐसा
Poster
होता है.
making also.
Poster
Ma'am,
making.
note making is
Yes,
just notice writing,
ma'am.
right?
I beg your pardon?
Note making is just notice writing, right?
Note making is not notice writing. Notice writing alag hai, note making alag
Can
hai.
you just give a sample and a format
Yes, ma'am.
which contains the right format in the group?
If you
Yes.
if you would have sent it on the group, it would have been of great help, ma'am.
Okay, I will do that. But now pay attention. Note making and summarizing एक combined type of question आता है. उसमें वो लोग ऐसे करते हैं 4 mark का note making, 4 mark का summarizing. जैसे तुम्हारा comprehension passage होता है, a comprehension passage is given to you, and after that you don't have questions based on the passage. They tell you, I will read out the question to you. You have note making in your textbook also. Take out your hornbill.
Ma'am, I have PDF, ma'am. I don't have the
बेटा
book
अभी आपको
version.
टेक्स्ट बुक शौनक ले लेना चाहिए. If you open your hornbill, page number 89 is note making. So when you will go through this, you will realize that a passage has been given just like a comprehension passage, and after that they are telling you what is step number 1, what is step number 2, what is step number 3, and what is step number 4 that you have to do. Because the question is something like, make notes on the given passage. The question says like that. The passage is there and then make notes on the given passage. What you have to do is you have to split your passage into first one title, then heading, heading के नीचे subheading, subheading के नीचे again subheading. Like this you have to split it up. So you will have one title, then you will leave a line and write notes. Notes लिखने के बाद again you will leave a line. You will write Roman letter 1. Roman letter 1 के against you will write heading. Heading. उस heading के नीचे you will have point number 1 and 2 and 3 as your subheadings. कि वो passage किस topic के बारे में था. वो subheadings जो है 1 and 2 and 3 उसके नीचे again you will have say point number 1 के नीचे you will have point number A, point number B. Subheading का फिर से subheading. Then you will have point number 2. उसके नीचे you will have subheading. Suppose you have A, B, C. Then you have point number 3. उसके नीचे you have subheading. Say only A. ये तुम्हारा first point का जो था ये सारा हो गया. Then you have point number Roman letter 2. उसका एक heading आएगा. So you have to read this page number 89 right up to page number 98, and your note making and summarizing will become very clear to you. Apart from making this note, as a part of note making, you have to also make one table. That table is an abbreviation table. Usme you have only 3 columns. One is the serial number, one is the abbreviation, and one is the word. So for example, on page number 89, on page number 89, the passage that is given to you. So suppose you take words like pheasants. तो इसका हम abbreviation कैसे बनाएंगे? Something like PHEA. First 3 letters या first 4 letters को आप लेके abbreviate कर दोगे. So you will have serial number, you will have your abbreviated word, and then you will have the full word, pheasants. ऐसे you should have nearly 8 to 10 words. Arey, open your book na. Show us a sample. Sample is given in your book. Open your page number hornbill. Open your hornbill to page number 89.